What's up, guys? This video is on the Bitcoin Taproot upgrade, which is coming up very fast here. When is the Taproot upgrade? November 14th is the day the upgrade will go into effect 100%, which is this Sunday. And I found these two articles I'm going to show you on Investor Place. They're just pretty good. Real quick summary here of a little bit of history, the last upgrade and stuff like that. And then the other one just kind of gets into a basic summary of what Taproot is going to do for Bitcoin. Now, the last upgrade was the Segregated Witness SegWit upgrade in late 2017. At that time, Bitcoin was trading at $4,000 and rallied to $20,000 in the months after. Now, that was the last 4-year halving cycle. We were going to see it happen either way, but I think these upgrades are kind of what kicked it off and what's going to be kicking off this giant run here next week to 90K to 100K in the next 1 to 2 months. This is going to be huge news for Bitcoin. It's happening this Sunday, so next week I expect prices just to go crazy, and I really hope that's going to happen. Now, what is Taproot and what will it do for Bitcoin? This article also on Investor Place is just a quick, summary of what it's going to do for Bitcoin. There's a few different changes here. Let's see. It involves 3 new Bitcoin improvement proposals. The first is number BIP 340, and it allows the use of Schnorr signatures, which enable key aggregations. This is an important way to fix some privacy and space issues. So that's kind of just a privacy upgrade to the Bitcoin blockchain that's happening right here. The second is BIP 341, which introduces Merkleized abstract syntax trees, MASTs for short, to make smart contracts on Bitcoin more secure. So we're getting more privacy and making it more secure. MASTs allow for smaller transaction sizes, more privacy for larger smart contracts. So more privacy and more secure. That's going to be great. Lastly, BIP 342 will introduce a new scripting language to Bitcoin. TapScript, probably why it's called Taproot, will make soft forks easier to do so that updates are less reliant on hard forks or sudden changes. So it's going to make it a lot easier for updates and upgrades where they won't have to do hard fork changes to Bitcoin. It will also allow Bitcoin to add new opcodes to improve Bitcoin's smart contract capability and change some limits for resource requirements. Wow, yeah, this sounds like a great upgrade, guys. I really hope it helps Bitcoin in the long term. Let's see what else they say in this article. All parties in transaction can cooperate to make these complex transactions look like standard person-to-person transactions. Okay. Taproot's expected effect on Bitcoin. All right, so November 16th, all Bitcoin nodes will have upgraded with Taproot protocols. As more than 90% of all nodes have agreed to these changes. So more than 90% of the Bitcoin nodes out there have agreed to these changes for Taproot. This will give developers of smart contracts and NFTs in DeFi, decentralized finance apps, much more confidence because they can integrate their apps into the Bitcoin network easily. A lot easier. So they're just trying to compete better with Ethereum here and Solana. It's not going to be an Ethereum killer, but yep, just like they say here, Bitcoin can join in the competitive smart contract race. All right, if you want to know more about Taproot, there's also, a pretty easy article to read here on Kraken, the beginner's guide to the Taproot upgrade. It just gets way more in depth, into what the MASTs are, and just, it just kind of explains a little more in detail. I'm not going to read all this. You guys can go on Kraken here and read it for yourself. You want to learn a little bit more about all the TapScript and the impact. Kind of more into the DeFi and the NFT space there and the Lightning Network. So check that out. Like I said, guys, the last upgrade in 2017, it was on August 23rd. So let's check on TradingView and go into a little bit of history for the last upgrade. Now this is where the last upgrade happened on August 23rd, and the price was coming in around $4,000. And August to December, so we saw a pump of about 400% after the hard fork went into action there. So that's a pretty giant pump there. Here, I'll put this back up for you guys. I mean, since if you even measure it from down here, yeah, that's a 565% pump after the last upgrade was implemented for Bitcoin. So that's about a 5x from here. That'd be a $300,000 plus Bitcoin. Even if you measure from back here, it's about a $250,000 Bitcoin in today's value based on the last cycle. Now, it could be completely different this cycle, but I really hope this, history repeats itself when we get even like a 4x, 400% gain from here. That'd be about a $240,000 Bitcoin, which I think Bitcoin's going to hit about $200,000, $250,000 here by January, early Q1 of 2022. So, like I've said multiple times, guys, I hope Taproot kicks it off for Bitcoin here, and we see a parabolic next week for Bitcoin. That's all I got for you guys today. I'll put the links to these articles in the video here if you want to read more about Taproot. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.